It's your boy back with another video. So we're about to unbox some shoes I got from StockX. Keyword is some off-whites. Now off rip, I'm gonna tell y'all this is my first personal pair of off-white. I had a pair of off-whites, the Air Max 90s, had a size 8.5, so I couldn't fit it, but I bought it to sell because I got it for a really good steal. But this is gonna be my first pair of personal off-white. So hey, we starting the whole year off with a banger shoe. Now the point of me making this video, you saw the title, I heard, or that I'm just now hearing, is that StockX is supposedly selling fakes. What I am making this video for is for you guys to just do your homework on your shoes. I'm not saying StockX don't sell 100% authentic shoes. What I'm saying is that, look, at the end of the day, it's just another human being telling you if these shoes are real or not. You can go out there and learn the same exact things they know and be a authenticator. Again, I'm not trying to, you know, throw shots at StockX or say they're selling fakes or say their people aren't doing a good job. I'm just saying, do your homework. I know about 2 people that have told me they've gotten a fake item from StockX. And I know one person that said they've got it from GOAT. Now I'm also not saying GOAT isn't 100% authentic, but people can mess up. They're human beings. But also, I wish they always didn't say all our items are 100% authentic, because I know some people that's gotten some unauthentic stuff. I just wish they didn't, you know, were so strong on that. But then again, in the sneaker community, that's really what they're looking for, is people, you know, who are selling 100% authentic items, because people don't want to, you know, make their money go to waste and buy something fake. I ordered something from StockX, what is it, December, let me double check because I want to give y'all straight facts in this video. So I ordered my StockX item on December 21st, and now I'm just now getting my item January 2nd, right? So I mean, and then that's not that bad, because it was Christmas you had in between there, you had New Year's in between there, so like they have a little leeway room for my item to be a little bit late. But then again, I wouldn't consider it late. But I do know people that have gotten stuff from StockX that had their item faster than I did. So what we're gonna do basically for my video, I'm about to unbox this shoe, about to show y'all. I'm excited for my shoes, but I'm also scared because I'm seeing all these videos saying, yo, StockX sells fakes and whatever. I have a list of the things I need to look for with my shoe style, like with what I ordered. So we're about to go through, you know, a little bit of those key things to see if they're fake or not. Not saying that this will be 100% legit shoe after I unbox it and if it passes everything I have on my list, but I wanted to say that I'm also gonna, you know, send some pictures out to some friends that I know and some Facebook groups to see if this shoe is real, and see if I can get it authenticated through them too. And if everybody gives me the green light, and bam, I'm cutting off the StockX tag and I'm finally gonna wear it. I want you guys to like be able to do your own homework on your shoe and not just, you know, buy something from someone just because they say it's 100% authentic. And I'm trying not to be biased because I really want the shoe that I got to be real, bro. I really do, because it's gonna be my first pair of personal off-whites, and I had to start the year off with a banger. Oh yeah, let me chill. Did I get light skin? Nah, I can't do it again. Bet. All right, so yeah, we about to head and unbox. Damn, I got really close, but I look, bro, I'm glowing up, and I'm realizing. All right, let me chill. Like an idiot, bro, I was trying to record and I didn't press the record button. So I opened the box, but I didn't get to see the shoe. This is as far as I got, was that I just cut the tape. Tape is freshly cut, ripped off the shipping label, so y'all don't know, you know, where I live. If you come for me, I'm coming back. But okay, so I guess when you buy something from StockX, I did buy one thing from StockX before, and it was some Yeezy blushes size 12. They're pretty good, but Yeezys, like, I didn't know the 500s fit small like the 350s do, so I needed a 12.5, so I just sold the size 12, so never really got to wear it. But okay, so I guess when you get something from StockX, you're gonna get this bubble wrap, I guess, just to protect the shoe, or shoe box. So here we go, we're gonna take the shoe out. Yeah, bro, this ain't coming out. Oh wait, I got it without it coming out. Okay, so some things on my list to look for. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be 100% real in this video. StockX, I got a rip in my box right here. And then I got a little rip, ooh, not a little, right here. Y'all can see. So StockX, like, I'm not that mad, but I am sus.
Pause! What?
And it could be the post office fault. And then it's Slicker Rip right here. I don't know if y'all can see. Slicker Rip right there in the corner. But okay, so some things on my list, I wrote them down on my notes. Some things I'm gonna look for. Suggested retail tab, 2 pairs of shoelaces in here. The off-white text should be in deep font color, like it should not be a faded font color. There should be some inside caging in this shoe, like inside this shoe. Kind of where the laces is, there should be the shiny material. I'll show y'all when I get to that part. But those are just, you know, some key things that some people on the fakes forget to do. We do have the suggested retail tab, so right here, suggested retail price, $170. Nike, the 10, the Zoom Fly. I know we talking about StockX a lot, but bro, I really wanted these shoes for a minute, bro. So when you open the box, oh, I forgot about that. If you guys don't know about like off-white boxes, it's basically like a Nike box inside out, so that's why this looks like this. But we got our StockX sticker. Hey, I told y'all about this from StockX. I'm not just, you know, out here buying like a fake shoe that has StockX like a tag on it. Ooh, I didn't know. If you get 5 purchases, you get free shipping. I'm gonna have to look into that, StockX. Then it got my receipt. It has my receipt. I'm not about to show y'all because it has my address and order number. But I mean, I can do this. That's about it. But I am trying to let y'all zoom in or whatever. That's the receipt. It looks like some good off-white paper. We about to, I'm talking a lot. I'm really, woo-hoo! Bro, these is clean, bro. Hold on, I wanna take this one out first. I'm taking them both out. These is clean, so yeah, I kept it a secret until the very, like, time I couldn't hide it no more. I got the pink tulip off-white Zoom Flies. I love this blue zip tie. Although we are hype, I have this shoe. We gotta make sure these is legit. So we do have the second pair of shoelaces. This should be the black ones with the orange writing. Okay, so now for some other things that we're looking for, Nike tabs. These tabs should be the same size. And then again, hey, let me know if y'all have any other thoughts about these shoes, like if you think they're authentic, they're unauthentic. Let me know in the comment section below because I want to make sure. Okay, so the tabs look straight. The tabs passed my test. Now we're about to look on the text, the off-white text that they have on the off-white shoes. It should be a bold font color. So yeah, this doesn't look faded at all. This looks pretty good. Like I don't even have to really look that hard, but y'all can go ahead and look. It's a pretty bold like writing. Same on the other shoe. Yeah, pretty bold lighting. Okay, now like I said, there should be some caging on the inside of this shoe. Now I already see it. It's right here. I know on the black ones it's a little bit harder to see, but you see these pink lines or whatever? That's the inside caging. And also, here, let me show y'all. Take these out. It's kind of like a cage. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like a cage to like hold the shoe more firmly in here. Hope y'all can see it. And then also on the side, there's some caging right here. That pink thing right behind the swoosh, some caging right there. Okay, so it's past those two. Here's the last thing I was worried about, was this right here. So by these laces, it was kind of hard to tell y'all, but it's a shiny material. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a shiny material that goes up and down, like I guess the lace holes you can call them. It's a shiny material that a lot of people on fakes forget. And you want to make sure that's on the shoe because a lot of fakes forget. I hope y'all can see it. If y'all can't, I'm gonna see if I can get this side. It's a shiny material. Hopefully y'all can see it. I don't know. They passed my test, so I am saying I think these are authentic. I'm not gonna cut off the StockX tab yet because if you cut this off, you're not eligible for a return. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna send it to some of my friends, you know, make sure this is legit. Even before I try it on slick. I'ma breathe like these is real. I have been waiting to add these to my collection for a minute. I even wanted the regular ones, but when I seen the pink, because I need a shoe that pops, like I need a bright, vibrant shoe, and I saw these were in my price range, like they weren't a lot, I had to get it. Even if it was for resale, I had to get it because I never went on Nike sneakers, bro. Like, don't ever expect a video from me coming saying I won from Nike sneakers. Like, I can't wait to break them out. But one thing I also was about to say, it's gonna be hard to kind of check to see if, by this material, if it's real or fake, because the fakes can really get this material down easily. But if you wanna try and check for that, go ahead. I don't know what you check for, because I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be hard to get the same material. But what I really do like about this shoe is that they're not gonna crease like easy like that, because it's like, So if I take these out, it's not really something like that's a creasing material. That's really why I wanted these, because I won't really have to worry about creasing and stuff like that. I'm just gonna have to worry about like scuffs, dirt and stuff like that. So that's another reason why I wanted to cop the Zoom Fly, because I know I can make them last. I had to start this year off with a banger shoe, bro. So the off-white Zoom Fly pink tulip colorway, bro. Wait till I put these on with a fit. Y'all about to be sick. Y'all about to be sick. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro, because we just hit 15K and we are aiming for the top this year. We need at least 50. We need at least 50K this year. Next video is gonna be a banger too, so make sure you turn on post notifications. I don't have an outro. I know y'all saw the fire intro. I don't have an outro, so I just stand here and I shrug. And then that's when y'all supposed to click away. So I shrug. Y'all supposed to click away. Oh, you're still here?